desperado. Why don't you come to your senses? You've been alright in fancies for so long now. Oh, you're a hard one, but I know that you got your reasons. These things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow. Don't you try the queen of diamond, boy. She'll beat you if she's able. You know the queen of heart is always your best bet. But it seems to me some fine things had been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they're driving you home. Freedom, oh freedom, that's just some people talking.